What's up? What's up? It's your man, Jimmy Chan. All right, so a student scores 62 on geography test and 255 on a math test. The geography test has a mean of 80 and a standard deviation of 15. Okay, so now that means I'm separating the geography test and the so-called math test. So 62 on geography. Geography test has a mean of 80 and a standard deviation of 15. Okay, so everything about geography is now highlighted in red. And in blue, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the math. So 255 on the math test. The math test has a mean of 300 and a standard deviation of 30. Okay. If the data of both tests are normally distributed, meaning bing bing, bell-shaped curve, on which test did the student do better on? So anytime I see normal distribution or normally distributed bell-shaped curve, I think of none other. Actually, let's go with this one here. Oopsies. I think of this right here, okay? However, before I do that, whenever it's normally distributed and I think of this right here, right, I also think of z-scores, okay? So in other words, I'm going to have to find the z-score of this geo test, and that's going to equal to, what is z-score? What is z-score? What is z-score? What is z-score? Oh my goodness, I can't remember. Oh no, oh no. Oh, that is where I have my x of I minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that in and let's see what I get. So that's going to equal to, my score was a 62 minus the standard deviation, which, minus the mean, which is 80. And I got divided by the standard deviation, which is 15. Okay. So the z-score of the geo test is equal to, let's see, parentheses 62 minus 80 divided by 15 is negative 1.2. So now I got to do the same thing, but with the math test. So number one, this has to turn blue. And this has to turn to math. Okay, so let's put those numbers in there. The mean was 250. My score was 255. The mean was 300. And I divided by their standard deviation, which is 30. Okay, let's see what that equals to. So parentheses 255 minus 300, parentheses divided by 30, I get the z of math was equal to negative 1.5. Okay, so if I was to put this on the bell-shaped curve, let me bring that all the way over here so I can put this right here in the middle and not interrupt a thing. Okay, so negative 1.2. Negative 1.2 would be somewhere here, right? And then negative 1.5 would be dead center of 1 and 2. So this is negative 1.5, or I guess I could, yeah, why not? Let's do it that way. So if you notice, where is it closer to the actual mean? Which one has a higher score, right? Which one is actually closer to the higher score? Or better yet, who had a higher percentile, right? Because if a larger percent score below my score, then my score must be better. So, and that's the case, clearly, this is closer to the actual mean than negative 1.5 is. This percentile is definitely higher than this percentile, right? So that means my geotest actually had the better score. So with that being said, that answer is C. The geotest actually had the better score. And I hope that answers your question. Anything else, let me know. See ya.